Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cheesecake. First, let's prepare the perfect crust. Combine 1 1/2 cups of graham cracker crumbs with 1/4 cup of sugar and 6 tablespoons of melted butter. Press this mixture firmly into a 9-inch springform pan. Bake the crust for 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, then let it cool completely while you prepare the filling. Now for the star of the show, the creamy filling. In a large bowl, beat 32 ounces of softened cream cheese until it's wonderfully smooth. Gradually incorporate 1 1/2 cups of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a small pinch of salt. Finally, gently mix in 4 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring not to overmix. This keeps your cheesecake light and airy. With your filling ready, carefully pour it over the cooled crust in the springform pan. Place the pan into a larger roasting pan, then add hot water to the roasting pan, creating a water bath. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 to 75 minutes. Once baked, cool the cheesecake completely at room temperature before chilling it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight. Once your cheesecake is perfectly chilled, it's time for the finishing touches. You can top it with fresh berries, a decadent chocolate ganache, or a tangy fruit compote. For clean slices, warm your knife under hot water and wipe it clean between each cut. This ensures every piece looks as good as it tastes. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money, plus other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade cheesecake.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.